Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Picked these up in a second-hand shop today, and just what done me was, if you can guess what's in there, that's probably not one. Let's have a look at this one instead. If you can guess what's in there, they're old nails. So because it's a nice see-through box, if someone thought they'd write on there, oh look, nails. And then you can guess what's in this one, what they look like. Here's a clue: staples and rivets. It's another difficult one. What does this one look like? I know. Bolts and nuts. Here's one you'll never guess. You will never guess this one. What are these in here? Here's a clue. Oh, screws. If anything, it's hindering what's in there, not helping. What's this one? Oh look, what's them round things and them things with threads on them? I know, it's screws and washers. Hold on, we've got nuts and washers. Anyway, let's go through it all. Let's go through this one first. Small screws, plastic caps for screws. Oh, some nice little brass screws in there. These, most of it's just junk, pins and needles. Some yellow thing. All this is going to go in the bin because I don't use screws that are oh, what are they? They're fancy little things. These are rivets for banging with your hammer. These are masonry nails. These are as tough as old boots, them. It's not much in them, but it's something. These are just nails. These are all going to go in the bin. Oh look, half a cufflink, one cufflink. Little tie pin. Bit of string, everyone needs a bit of string. Some nappy pins, don't know what this is. Some stirrers, I suppose, for mixing up. I'll keep them. Yeah, some stirrers for a bit of 2-part epoxy, I think. Some buttons. Not even nice buttons, just it's nice, a nice button. It's off of like an army jacket or something. And these, I'll have a sort for that, but I should imagine most of that's going in the bin. This will come in handy. Some nuts and bolts. These are a funny thread. Old time thread. Yeah, I'll hang on to them. You can never have enough nuts and bolts. These are the washers. Nuts and washers. Some nice little nuts there. Look like Meccano nuts. These are for screws, you know, when you put a screw in, you want to finish it off. These, you know, when you get the old locks off of machines, they look like they go on the back of there. And that's for threading. Some little screws there. They're for plug sockets or light switches. These ones, screws and washers, these will all go in the bin, unless they've got a Phillips head on them. I won't be using a screwdriver to put them in, that's for sure. That's empty on the other side. And these will all be going in the bin as well. Well, one sec. Got this as well. This is a drawer full of goodies, but I wanted it for this case because I haven't got any screw cases. It's nice and deep, this one, look. Some pins, I'll keep them. I'll sort out a lot of it, get rid of a lot of the junk. You see them? Half of a cloth. Some more screwy things. Bit of threaded rod. Some springs. This looks like it's off a door handle. You know, the bit that goes through the door. Couple of them. Oh look, a little spirit level. It's quite nice. Oh, that's a thermometer. Don't know what that's off. More screws, galvanised they look like. More pins. Salt Effects Limited. They're like, I don't know, grippy thread things. A lot of this is going straight in the bin. Oh, little crocodile clip. More threaded rod, broken drill bit. We all need to keep broken drill bits, don't we? Why would you want to throw away a broken drill bit? Bit of old sponge. One needs a bit of old sponge. A switch. Some fuses. Some ends of some film roll. Just the ends. Some more galvanised screws. Some more of these masonry nails. Hardened. A little Stanley blade. A couple of other bits in there. More screws. More screws. Bit of chalk. An Allen key. Let's throw that chalk away. Who the fuck is going to use chalk? Some more screws. And some Jubilee clips, which always come in handy. So I'll be hanging on to them. Thanks for watching.